told myself I'd stop talking about garbage stocks, but I'm addicted. I'm addicted and I just can't stop. I can't stop. General Electric is in the news today. I want to cover up a couple points regarding this company, which I already put on my stocks to not buy list. But we're going to go over a couple new little things, new little wrinkles that came out, both today and previously before that. So let's go ahead and go right on into it. Look at this. October 1st. That's right. GE will pay a $2.7 million fine to settle allegations that subsidiaries violated U.S. economic sanctions on Cuba. Yeah, that's not much news. I'm sorry. $2.7 million doesn't really care, but I just thought it's funny to show. Bad stuff happens to the garbage companies, right? It's rude. I need to quit calling this garbage company, okay? GE is in an era of transition. They just shifted CEOs 2 years ago, and they're certainly working on shifting their business model. I do want to say it's a garbage company. I'm sorry. It still is. I don't care who's in charge of it. It's still a garbage company. Once you fix it, I'll say it's good, but it's still garbage. Okay? And you want to know who else agrees? J.P. Morgan. Oh, man. Steven Tusa. I didn't read this article he wrote out there, but I should have. I know I should have, but I could write my own 90-page article about GE if I wanted. I don't necessarily need this guy's. Plus, you know how I feel about those analysts, right? JP Morgan, more like, you're stupid. Yeah. Get roasted, Steven Tusa. How's that feel? Anyways, this guy's like, well, screw your business. You're got a $5 price target, which, yikes. That's rough. Big company like JP Morgan says, you blow and you're $5, then guess what? People are going to sell out of that stock. So that's not looking good. It's just rough for the stock as is to begin with. So analysts have a pretty big control over the market, and they definitely know that. So it's always suspicious stuff going on. I never know with these guys how to feel about them. I can do just as much research as you, and I certainly don't get paid that amount of money to put out research that is usually 90% of the time wrong. Regardless, it's bad for GE stock. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make. Then today, or the 7th, I can't say today anymore. We're just crossing over midnight now, so technically we're into Tuesday now. Ooh, okay, GE, look at you. Freezing pension plans on 20,000 U.S. employees? Excuse me? Wow. Talk about shafting people. That's called shafting people. I don't know if you knew that, but your pensions, guess what? You're screwed. You're not getting a pension anymore. The thing you've been working for this whole time, that's why you stay with this company, no pension anymore. Yikes. That's rough. Obviously, the stock saw a little bit of upward movement because of it. People were excited that, hey, this, it frees up a little bit. Wow, I mean, that seems like a lot, right? I mean, $5 to $8 billion worth of debt? I mean, that seems good, right? Oh, wait. Did you forget? Ooh, I'm sorry. I don't think you forgot, but $109 billion in debt. Yeah, when you're gonna get rid of $6 billion, it's not really gonna fix it. I don't know if you knew that, but I gotta say, they're trying. So now they're only gonna have to get rid of $100 billion more worth, right? Isn't that gonna be easy? What the crap are they gonna do? There's a long road ahead. I can tell you, but we'll see. What a shocker, though. Mr. Tusa's back at it again. Going ahead and slapping down those GE shareholders. Get slapped, son. He says, I don't give a crap about you. Still $5 price target. Screw you. Wow. Wow. Mr. Tusa, you, sir, are a man with gall. How dare you? Regardless, bad for GE stock, right? What's going to happen to GE? Well, what do you think is going to happen to GE? They're going to need to very quickly and very rapidly change their business model. Otherwise, they're going to fold. I mean, they can only survive off bailouts for so long. They're running out of cash. I know that they're in a phase of major transition, which needs to be noted. So they are certainly making good transition. They're paying down some of that debt slowly but surely. This is going to be a minimum 5-6 year process before they actually get anything figured out and could potentially even get headed in the right direction. So in the meantime, you're staying out of the stock, right? I mean, I just have the addiction to talk to them. I don't invest in these garbage companies, but some people do. And, you might as well just go throw 100 at the craps table. You probably got a better chance of winning. I'm gonna bet probably all money on black. I feel like that's what's gonna happen here. Oh, I lost all my money. Sorry, that's gambling for you. Yes, that's all I have for you today. Stay out. Stay out, stay out, stay out. Get away from GE stock. Get away.